Today we're here to talk about my latest IP, smart wristband. Let's take a look. This is not quite a smartwatch. My design makes it more like a wristband. What you got is your arm goes in here, and it's roughly where your wrist is. And this is a stretchy material, and this is a screen. So you're going to get a lot more surface area than a wristwatch. A watch would only be a lot more limited, maybe this area here, whereas now you're getting all this area. There's the front view, left side, right side, top. Now as you can see, look at all the surface area. Relative to a smartwatch, it would only be about here. Now you're getting all here. There's the bottom. This is stretchy material. Be great for athletes. Be great for everyday consumers. We're proud of this one. So it's designed 60, 23, 700. All right, take care. Bye.